Dear kids, welcome to this video. Math quiz question. Question number 1. 11 plus 7 is equal to option 1 17, option 2 18, option 3 15 and option D 19. The correct answer is 18. Question number 2. 12 plus 5 is equal to option 17, option B 15, option C 19, option D 18. The correct answer is 17. Question number 3. 16 plus 5 is equal to option A 22, option B 21, option C 24, option D is 25. The correct answer is 21. Question number 4. 7 plus 17 is equal to option A 22, option B 25, option C 24 and option D is 26. And now correct answer is 24. Question number 5. 15 plus 8 is equal to, your option is A 17, B 19, C 23 and D is 17. The correct answer is 23. Thank you for watching.